Alright, welcome back. So I just finished doing this flyer for a client's 3-month masterclass for just $500. So I thought, why don't I do it into a tutorial? So let's get to it. This is a design brief the client sent, 3-month masterclass for $500, and then he sent a list of this, and then the resources that I use: this lady, this Bitcoin, this plane, and this, and the font. This kind of font is in the link in the description. Check the Google Drive in the description to find these resources. So let's get to it. First, let me delete this everything, and then let me get right to it. Let me start by clicking the text. Okay, yeah, so let's write 3 months masterclass. So you want to make sure this is aligned center. You want to make sure this is okay. Just adjust it, make sure they are okay, and you want to make sure you put this at the center. Then you want to write the other text for just $500. So you want to change that to Helvetica. Check for the Helvetica font also in the folder. Let's use Helvetica medium. Should use that. Now you want to make this text, you want to use a gray color. Select it, just drive it to this side, not black, just gray. Just drive it to the other hand, and if you want to know the color code for itself, 383838. So 3 months masterclass. Then let's copy the last discounted from $1,500. So if you notice the hierarchy here, this is the major text, this is the subtext, then this one will be smaller. So that's what they call hierarchy. Just make sure all the texts are not big. The one you want the viewer to read first, what you want them to read second, then discounted from 1,500. So just group it, call it headline. Great. So this is set. Now you want to do something. You want to come to this 3 months masterclass option. Now gradient overlay. Now I want you to copy the gradients that I use here. Double click this first part. Make sure you are using 043029, and the second part, make sure you are using 007472. So that's if you want your design to look exactly like mine, 000. So I make sure the angle is positioned up. Make sure normal. So that's just it. So the $500, select it, pick the same color of your text, and you're good to go. So now, so we have 3 months masterclass. You can select these three texts. Make sure they are aligned properly. In case if they are scattered, this is the alignment. See, they are aligned. And make sure click the background too, so that they are aligned to the background, they are centered. So it's very important that your designs are aligned. So now let's copy the other part. this, Ctrl C, just paste it, select all. I want to reduce the line height. Good. I want to align it to the left, right. Good. I want to reduce the font, not something small, something just readable. Yeah, this is okay. I want to reduce the line height again. So there are some unnecessary signs. I want to remove that. So I want to give it a color of not too black, just gray. Good. So I just put it here, then I write what you get, Remember, that's not included in the brief, so some of these things you have to create the text yourself so that it's more explanatory. You can't just list all those stuff and people will just be confused. Remember, with Flier you are communicating, so let everything be very, and then bold. So let's change this color. Let's give it a, oh no, wait, let me show you how to pick color. You want to pick color from something you are using. So let's bring our Bitcoin sign. Let's just drag it and drop it into the design. And then the lady too, we are going to drag it and drop it into the design. Good. Don't worry if the Bitcoin looks like low quality, just use it like that. So just reduce it very well. Just put it here and drag the plane also. Drag it, reduce it. Good. Put it here. Just put it here. Good. And then pick the lady. Good. Just put it there. Make sure she's a bit bigger. Not too small, so that it will be almost reaching the text, so that you know that it is connected with the text. Good. So that's all there is to it. Now let's pick the color for this. What you get will be picked either from these two colors. So I want to pick it from here, and I want to put how do they contact the, remember the client did not give me that, so I asked him how do you contact, just use my number. So I just use something simple, call or WhatsApp. Now I can go and download WhatsApp icon, but I rather write call or WhatsApp. Let me copy his phone number. Remember, I'm doing everything from WhatsApp, so it's not that so just copy his phone number, paste it, change the color. Remember, if the headline of the text is a color, make sure the body of the text is also another color so that it looks balanced. So I'm not using black, pitch black. I'm using colors that are close to black. So that's good to know. I can reduce this one a little bit. Good. So that's all. So that's all there is to this flyer. So that's all there is. Okay, before we go, let me space this a little bit. Let me just make it 10. Good. Now before we go, I want to give this a background. It has no background, so I want to give it a background. And first of all, let me bring this down. Now I asked him for logo, what logo does he want, so I think he gave me a logo. Good. Copy. Let me paste that here. Now you can go and download any logo online, just a random logo. I'm not going to include this logo in the flyer, so that I drag and put the logo on the top here. Now here's what I want to do. I want to reduce all this text. So first, let me take what you get and this text here, this body text, and group it, call it body. Good. So that I can move it. Then let me take the number as a single text. So I want to reduce this text. A little bit. Good. Then I want to take this one, so I want to reduce it a little bit. Good. I want to move it down. I want to put the logo here. So that's it. So now let me give this background. It has no background. The background is just plain white. So let me write lifestyle. The name of the company is Lifestyle Traders. Let me write lifestyle, STYLE. Make it big. I'm creating a background with the text, so you might want to do that in some design. So this is, let me drag this away. This is lifestyle. So you want to duplicate, you want to Control J on the lifestyle text, you duplicate it, you put it under, make sure it's aligned very well. Then you select the two that you just created, you select it, you convert it to smart object, it becomes one, a single. Then you Control J again, duplicate it, and then you select the two again that you just created, you convert both to smart object option, convert to smart object. Then I don't want this video to be too long. In the next video, I'm going to finish this up. Stay tuned.